Hello.
Caitlin, are you ready to start?
Yep, I am all ready.
Can you speak again, Caitlin?
Yeah, hello, I'm all ready. Can you hear me well?
Yes, yes. So yeah, to formally start, hey everyone, and welcome to today's AMA here at Grow Club Institute. And I'm really happy to see all of you joining us as we dive into something truly exciting, the Synapse Power AI. And guys, this project is reshaping how we use and share computing power for AI. As we all know, AI is expanding rapidly across industry, right? But most of the computing power remains centralized and controlled by just a few big players, right? But the Synapse Power AI is here to change that by building a decentralized network where anyone can contribute or access powerful GPUs. And guys, today we're thrilled to have Caitlin from the Synapse Power AI team with us. She will share what project is all about, how it works, and how it's creating new opportunities for people to take part in the growing AI economy. So without further delay, guys, let's get started. Caitlin, please say hi to everyone and tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hello to the Grow Club Institute. So I'm very glad to be here on the committee for today. For today's AMA, guys, I am the representative of Synapse Power AI. And today I'm here to walk everyone through the world of Synapse, what it's offering, and how you can participate in this economy. So, I'm very sorry, guys, if I cannot turn on my camera for today because, hold on. Is that a much better now? Anyway, like I was saying, I'm very glad to be here on the community. I'm very sorry if I cannot turn on my microphone. I sorry, my video for today because apparently I'm having some problems with my camera. But I'm still as glad as I am to be here with you guys for today. So yeah, thank you so much more for the warm welcome, and back to you.
Yes, of course, Caitlin. You're very much welcome with that. And thank you so much, Caitlin, once again. And also a warm welcome from all of us here at Grow Club Institute. So now let's get jump right into our first question. So to start things off, Caitlin, what is Synapse Power AI and how does it address the current compute bottleneck in the AI industry?
All right, thank you so much, Morphin. I really appreciate you having the introduction to describe what the overall problem of this space currently is. So, guys, Synapse Power AI was built to solve the AI compute bottleneck. As you guys can see, as you guys can see, the industry is actually perceiving so many exponential growth in AI, ML, and 3D rendering workloads. But most compute power nowadays, just like what Morph mentioned, is centralized with only a few cloud providers. And of course, this would result to the leading rising cost and even the limited access for everyone. So, this is when Synapse enters the picture. Synapse is changing this by offering a distributed enterprise grade GPU infrastructure that anyone can access and contribute to. So basically, we are building an ecosystem which we're opening the network for everyone, for all of your contribution here at Synapse. So I'm very excited to share more details, but that is basically the main problem that Synapse is tackling, you know, in this industry that we're in. Thank you very much, more.
That's a great start, Caitlin. And I really like how Synapse Power AI is making computing power more open and accessible to everyone. And also, it's exciting to see how this idea could reshape the AI landscape, right? Not only for the developers, but for everyday users as well. And now that we got a solid understanding of what Synapse Power AI is, now let's move on to the next, to the one of its key components, Caitlin, the XNAP token, which powers the entire system. So, what is the XNAP token, Caitlin, and what makes its value proposition different from speculative digital assets?
Right, that's a very good question. So the XNAP token, this is an infrastructure powered utility token for the AI economy. The supply of this token is designed for ecosystem growth and not just for speculation. So basically, this token, right, despite the utility that it is offering, it is a performance backed token, okay? And it is earned by contributing to real compute infrastructure, meaning that 100% of its supply is issued based on real infrastructure participation and verifiability. So as you guys can see on your screen, of course later on I'll be getting to the technical details, but this is an overview on what the XNAP token actually is, plus its utilities over here. So the XNAP token is primarily used for the rewards for the contributors inside Synapse. Aside from this, of course, we're not limiting it to just the rewards, but this would also do its role in tier access, wherein the people would be able to unlock higher contributor levels on Synapse contribution plan. Aside from this, it's going to be used for governance as well. So we would be enabling future DAO voting rights via foundation allocation. And for the whole ecosystem, of course, this will play a very huge role because this will be used in the upcoming staking feature that we're having, the service upgrades, and even the marketplace priority. And guys, one of its coolest feature is the cross-chain functionalities because this token will be supporting multi-network bridging and utility across blockchains as well. And this is how powerful the XNAP token is inside the Synapse ecosystem. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was really interesting, Caitlin. And to be honest, I love how the XNAP token's value came from the real computing power instead of speculation, right? And it gives the token a genuine use case and lasting strength. This kind of model is what the Web3 space truly needs right now. You know, something that connects real world value with blockchain innovation. So, for people who want to get involved and contribute, Caitlin, how they can actually join the network. So, the next question is, how can an individual contribute their compute, and what is the role of Synapse Console?
Right, that's a very good question and a very exciting one as well. So, like I mentioned before, we're opening the network for contribution from everyone. So the individuals like us, we can contribute by activating a compute plan, which is something like a node through the Synapse console. So this console is the user dashboard that powers the community share pool, and your allocation will then be used for real-world GPU workloads, including AI model training, rendering tasks, and even blockchain validation. So we believe that this system is real work, real value, and there's no mining and no gas work. So, to be much more detailed for everyone, this is the Synapse console that I was talking about earlier, which I'll be showing to you guys later on as well. This is the dashboard, right, that really powers everything in the community share pool. So, before we go into the step by step process as to how people can contribute, here are the main key reasons why people choose to contribute. Guys, if you contribute to Synapse Console, not just buying a single product, but you are contributing to a real system. Like I mentioned, guys, 100% of your allocation will then be used for real world GPU workloads, okay? And of course, your compute plan will be part of a global AI network. And from this contribution, right, from this participation, you can earn based on what your allocation actually does, which will be distributed daily. So that is exactly the few reasons why people contribute to participate in this real world economy, to and also to earn passively as well. So this is how the community share pool is working, okay? First and foremost, the people can choose a compute plan. You can select from the four node tiers that we're offering as your contribution level. So just check out the plans later on. I will give you guys a tour on that as well. And then this contribution, right, to the compute plan, this will be allocated to the real world GPU workloads. And then from this, of course, since your allocation is working for you, you can earn daily rewards. So you basically earn XNAP tokens daily based on your node level and duration. And aside from this, of course, I know we'll be touching this later on, but guys, once your duration, right, the duration of your compute plan has been finished and done, all of the contribution that you did will be returned to you fully in tokens. All right, so that is how it works. So let me just also walk you guys through the different plan options. So we've got four different plans: the Core Access, Core Boost, Core Ultra, and Core Prime. So the Core Access, right? Starting with the first one, this has the shortest duration among them all, and this plan will only be running for 30 days, okay? But it would only give a daily yield reward of 1%, and the minimum contribution is $100 for this plan, okay? So if you're looking for quick returns, quick profits, you can opt for the core access. Now to the next one, the core boost, which will be running for 90 days. So this would give you a daily reward of 1.2%, and the minimum contribution is $50 only. So guys, as you can notice, right, the longer the duration of your plan is, the higher the daily rewards it can render you as well. And the core access only has the minimum contribution of $100 because guys, of course, on the core access, this will be quicker returns for you, right? So we decided to raise the bar for the contribution. Now, if you are looking for longer options, we've got the Core Ultra, which will run for 180 days, which will give you a daily reward yield rate of 180 days. 1.4%. And once again, the minimum contribution is at $50, okay? Now, the last and the longest plan that we have is the Core Prime, which would be running for 360 days, okay? A whole year. And of course, this plan, since it is the longest duration, it would give the highest daily reward yield rate of 1.6%. And as usual, the minimum contribution is at $50. So, guys, some of the things that you need to take note is 100% of your contribution would go directly to GPU processing, okay? 35% of the daily rewards are allocated as well. These are deducted from the daily rewards that you can receive daily to support platform sustainability, infrastructure maintenance, and future ecosystem expansion. And once again, like I talked about before about the capital return, 100% of your contribution will be reimbursed back to you by the end of your plan, fully on the full amount in token. So that is basically how we all can contribute to Synapse Console.
Wow, very well explained, Caitlin. And it's great to hear that Synapse Power AI makes it simple for users to connect and start earning from real workloads, right? That kind of user friendly setup really encourages more people to join the ecosystem. Plus, rewarding genuine contributions add a layer of trust and transparency for everyone involved. And now, Caitlin, that we understand how people can join thanks to you, let's move on to how the daily XNAP rewards are calculated. So, for the next question, how are the daily XNAP rewards calculated, and what portion is allocated for sustaining the platform?
All right, so let's touch on the daily reward. So we've touched already the plans, right? So hold on. All right, so let us start from here. Let us start with an example from Maya's contribution. Guys, remember the daily rewards are performance based. You choose whatever plan you want. It has all transparent daily gross reward percentage, like I've explained earlier, right? And 35% of the daily gross rewards would be deducted, and you get the net of 65% because this 35% portion will be allocated to support the platform's future development. So, to fully understand this, let us touch on Maya's contribution, okay? So, let us say, we'll take this for an example. Let's say Maya chose the plan of Core Boost, right? It should be running for 90 days. And the minimum contribution here is at $50, but Maya decided to contribute $500. So a whole amount of $500 will go completely to compute allocation. Now, how will Maya, earn in a daily basis? So you just need to multiply the daily gross reward percentage that is given over here, right, with the total contribution that Maya did. So we get 1.2% times $500. That would give you a daily reward of $6, and then this will be deducted 35%. Once again, like I've explained before, you would only receive a net of 65%. So if you multiply $6 by 65%, you only get $3.9 per day. And if you divide that to the fixed conversion rate of one XNAP token, which is 0.00437, you get 892 XNAP per day. Now, if we look at it on totality, the total rewards that Maya, meaning guys, these are the profits, right? The daily ones that gets distributed daily would be 892 tokens per day times 90 because Maya's contribution will be running for 90 days. And you will get 80,280 XNAP. And if you convert that to the fixed conversion rate, you get $351. So basically, Maya received $351 in profits. Okay? And after 90 days, Maya will be reimbursed the full amount. Okay, this is a capital return, which Maya contributed, right? $500 all in tokens. Okay, at the fixed conversion rate. So that is basically how it works. Maya receives 80,280 XNAP after 90 days and 114,420 XNAP after 90 days. So basically, guys, I want to clarify that this capital return, right? This profits, right? All of this you can. Sorry, only the profits. Okay, the profits you can withdraw it on a daily basis, however you want to. Okay, we're not restricting you guys to just withdraw it by the end of your plan. No, guys, you can withdraw it after 1 day, 2 days, whatever you want. Okay, so that is how the calculation of the daily rewards XNAP tokens are calculated.
That's really balanced system, Caitlin. Thank you so much for explaining that. And to be honest, I like how it rewards user fairly while also keeping the platform sustainable in the long run. And it shows that the team is thinking ahead, focusing not just on the short-term growth but on the long-term success, right? Now that we have talked about rewards and sustainability, let's take a look at the technical side of XNAP token. So the next question is, what are the key technical details of XNAP, including its supply and the network it's deployed on?
Right, thank you very much for that. So let us go into the deeper details of the XNAP token. So like I've mentioned before, guys, The XNAP token has a total initial supply of 1 billion XNAP, okay? And it is deployed currently on the Binance Smart Chain and on the Solana chain as well. The supply model is uncapped and it is designed this way because new XNAP tokens may be issued based on contribution linked mechanism, ensuring that it is always grounded in verifiable activity. But aside from this, let us go to full details on the initial allocation. So the initial supply is 1 billion XNAP, guys, okay? This is not the total supply because new XNAP tokens may be issued, right? So for the first 1 billion XNAP, it is distributed in this manner. So 40% goes to the community share pool, which will be reserved for the contributors' rewards. 20% to platform operations. This would cover the maintenance, orchestration, development operations, and the R&D and such. 15% goes to the infrastructure reserve, and this would be used for regional node deployment, GPU scaling, and even hardware expansion in global areas. 10% is held by the team and the core contributors. These are vested, okay, over the next 36 months. And this is not just for the team, but it is also for the early builders, engineers, and strategic contributors to ensure alignment and delivery continuity. 10% is also allocated for the foundation because we will also be investing in green infrastructure, inclusive access, education, and even future DAO governance mechanisms. And the last remaining 5% will be allotted for the ecosystem growth. And this would be used for certain campaigns, adoption campaigns, marketing campaigns, developer grants, and even any other incentives and programs that we will be having. Now, hold on. Yeah, I think that is the great overview into the XNAP token. Thank you so much. I hope that answered the question.
Yeah, definitely you answered my question, Caitlin, and thanks for explaining that. Being multi-chain from the start clearly shows that the team is focused on scalability and flexibility. And it's great to see that the Synapse Power AI is built with future growth in mind. And now, since clarity and structure are both important, of course, now let's discuss how the conversion rate works and what happens to a contributor's capital once their plan ends. So, for the next question, what is the fixed conversion rate for XNAP? And how is a contributor's original capital or compute allocation handled at the end of a plan?
All right, it's a very good question. So let us go over to this screen. All right, with the token overview. So the XNAP token has an initial supply of 1 billion and the fixed conversion rate is set at 1 XNAP token equals to 0.00437. So guys, remember that like I mentioned before, the XNAP token is deployed currently on two chains. We are available on Binance Smart Chain and also on Solana Chain. So yeah, basically, and about the second part, right? The contributor's original capital. The contributor, guys, by the end of the plan's duration or the maturity, as we call, the contributor will receive back their original compute value, and this capital return is dispersed fully in tokens at the fixed conversion rate.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm muted. But yeah, anyways, got it. Caitlin, thank you so much for that. That kind of a structure really helps build confidence among contributors, and it's reassuring to know that everything is transparent and easy to track. And this kind of setup, Caitlin, truly builds trust within the community. And of course, once users earn with their rewards, the next question is how they can withdraw them, right? So let's talk about that next. Can you explain the fee structure and final payout when a contributor withdraws XNAPs for stable value?
Alright, so to make it short, guys, there is a 5% fee that applies only upon withdrawal to USDT or USDC. After this fee is applied to the total converted amount, the net payout is automatically split in a fixed manner, and you would receive 60% in USDT or USDC, you pick whatever you want, and 40% in XNAP tokens. So I will be explaining this more on the presentation, but yes, that is basically how it works. A 5% withdrawal fee, and how the net payout will be split: 60 in stable coins and 40% in tokens.
All right, it's crystal clear, Caitlin. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate that the payout process is straightforward and easy to follow. And having a stable conversion between XNAP and stable coins makes things predictable and fair for everyone, right? A system like this gives user a peace of mind and makes participation a lot more appealing. But before we wrap up, Caitlin has prepared a special presentation to help us understand Synapse Power AI even better. So everyone, stay tuned and keep your eyes on the screen. So Caitlin, the floor is yours.
All right, so hello everyone. Thank you for making it past the end of our Q&A part. So guys, before I present, let me just can you guys give me a few moments to sort things out real quick. I need to go and prepare my other device. So just 2 minutes, guys. Okay, give me a few moments.
So yeah, while waiting, Caitlin, guys, make sure to follow the Synapse Power AI socials like Threads or X, and even check their website to be able to have the updated or to be able to have the updates. So yeah, let's just wait, Caitlin, to prepare her devices. Okay.
All right, so I'm back. All right, so hello everyone, and once again, thank you for making it to our presentation for today. So, guys, to make this this presentation real quick, and for everyone, for you to make it easy to follow, make sure, guys, to download firstly any crypto wallet that you wish to use. But for this presentation, I'm going to be using the SafePal wallet. So please, guys, if you want, you can just kindly download SafePal wallet as well. Okay. Now, once you have downloaded SafePal, of course, you need to set up your wallet and such. Guys, please remember to ensure that you have at least $50 in your wallet before you follow, okay, these procedures. Because, like I mentioned before, the minimum contribution for any plan is set at $50, right? So, once you have your SafePal wallet ready, just go to the Explore section down below and just kindly type in synapsepower.io. Okay, and then just click BNB chain. Since like I mentioned, it is deployed on BNB and on Solana as well. Now, upon being here, guys, click on the three lines that you can see on the upper right and click Launch Console. So you can have an access to the Synapse console. Now, let me just disconnect my wallet. Right. So, on here, of course, you need to click Join Network. You need to connect your wallet, and it can be done via Wallet Connect. So just click Wallet Connect and then select Save File, of course. And then you are required to have a referral code. So for the referral code, guys, let me just get a code real quick. On, I'm gonna send it on this call. All right, there we go. So, guys, remember that the referral codes are a great requirement. Okay, without it, you cannot enter the Synapse console at all. So, on the messages you can see on your screen right now, the referral code that you can type in. This is C9HE80. So just kindly copy that in here. C9HE80. And then just proceed to provide your username, the email address that you'll be using, which is very important, guys, and the password as well. Just click agree to the terms and conditions. Now, once you're all set, you filled out all of this blank areas, all you need to do is click join network, okay? So that would create your own account in Synapse. Now, if you already have an account, of course, you just need to log in. So I'm gonna log in on my account so I can show to you guys what it looks like inside, okay? Give me a few moments. Okay, so as you guys can see, the first thing that you'll be seeing is the dashboard itself, which would give you an overview into everything, your total USDT contribution, the available tokens you have, how much yield you're having on all of your plans in average, and of course the amount of GPU utilization. So it would give you some details here as well about your current progress on your current plan. But I know the common question that you guys would ask is, how can we start or activate our own plan? So, guys, all you need to do is click view all plans, and then from here, you would be able to see all the Synapse nodes that are currently available, which are the 4 plans that I touched before on the Q&A. So, on here, guys, you can see that the first plan, the core access, this is the 30-day duration plan, and would give you an average daily yield rate of 1%. So, as you guys can see, this is currently unavailable because this is already quota full. But don't worry, guys, you still have 3 options, okay, for the plans to choose from. Now, moving forward to another one, we've got the core boost, which will be running for 90 days, and it would give a daily yield of 1.2%. So I know you guys are already familiar with this because I've already explained this from the Q&A part. So just take a look, guys, on whatever plan you're eyeing. We also have the core ultra, 180-day duration, and 1.4% daily yield. And the longest plan that we have is the Core Prime, which is running for 360 days and would give you the highest daily yield of 1.6%. So basically, that is how all of the plans are computed. So, what I want you guys to do, if you have, if you made up your mind, if you're, for example, you're very solid that you chose the Core Prime as your plan, once again, guys, the minimum contribution is at $50 to ensure that you have at least $50 in your wallet, okay? But let's say you chose the Core Prime, and all we need to do is click activate, and then this step-by-step process will be given to you. So for the first one, you need to pick if you want to pay in USDT or on USDC, and then you just need to type in the amount that you want to contribute. Once again, the minimum is at $50. Okay, so let's say we want to contribute 1,000. Okay, so from here, guys, you'll be able to see some, the expected returns already, so you can be briefed about on what decision you're going to go to. So you can see that for a $1,000 contribution at the core prime plan, you can get a daily token amount of 2,379 tokens, which would have a total value of $3,744 for the whole plan. Okay, so once you already made up your mind, just click continue to wallet, and then it would lead you directly to the payment. All you need to do is connect your wallet and then confirm. Click the confirm payment here, and then just proceed payment. Just click process payment, then you're all set. You're good to go. Okay, so let us say you already have your plan activated, right? So let's go back to the dashboard. Now, on here guys, on the dashboard you can see the current status of your plan. So I've been running mine for 22 days now, and I've managed to earn 52,000 tokens already. I am having guys the $1,000 USDT contribution in the core prime plan. Okay, so this is basically how you activate your own plan. Guys, after activating your own plan, you don't need to do anything at all. You just need to make it passively. If you want to withdraw it the next day, I mean, your daily rewards, okay? Then you can do that. So if you want to accumulate it by the end of your maturity, you can do that as well. Now, one more thing that I want to mention, guys, is the Synapse tokens. So this is the overview about the Synapse token because, like I mentioned, guys, from the withdrawal, right? 60% you would receive in stables and 40% in tokens. So all of the XNAP tokens that you will be accumulating before it gets listed, guys, the XNAP tokens that you will be accumulating every withdrawal, right? All the 40%, it would be accumulated in your Synapse console. And then this will be tradable once the XNAP token gets listed, which I believe is coming up soon around 20 to 30 days from now. So, anyway, enough of the spoilers, right? As you can see, it would reflect here how many Synapse tokens you have currently plus its amount in dollar. And you can see the withdraw tokens, the how much are you available to withdraw, and all. Okay, so as you guys can see here, right, we have a quick conversion calculator so you can get an idea on how the withdrawal actually works. So you can actually choose which stable you want to receive, USDT or USDC. You can freely choose whatever you want. And for example, let's say the token amount max, right? So the gross amount of 2,260 tokens that I have currently is set at $9.88. So, like I mentioned before, we would get a withdrawal fee of 5%. And then this is the net amount you can get $9.39. And that $9.39 would be split. So, if we click withdraw tokens, right, we would immediately we would immediately see the preview of how the net payout is done. So you guys can check the screen out, but I'll also be explaining this one by one. So the requested amount that we have is $10.4 token. You deduct the 5% of that for the withdrawal fee, and you get $9.88 right after, right? So if you withdraw the $9.88, you get 60% in USDT, which would be 5.93 USDT, and 40% will be received in XNAP tokens inside your Synapse console. Would be $3.95. So once again, guys, the current rate of one XNAP, this is the fixed conversion rate, is 0.00437. Okay, so once you're all good, you agree to everything, just click request withdrawal and then you're good to go. Guys, as you can see, the $10.4 that I have is just the daily reward that I've received today. If you guys have missed out our AMA yesterday, right? We did an AMA as well and I had to show everyone how the withdrawal works. So my balance got emptied by that. But of course, for today, I received a value already of my daily reward. So this is the one that I'm showing all of you how to withdraw. So once the withdrawal is requested, just click done and then you're good to go. The withdrawal, guys, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and this would be sent directly to the wallet, okay, that you have connected. Now, one more thing that I want to mention, guys, is the node tier. So aside from the contributions, right, we have two other ways for you to maximize your profit inside Synapse ecosystem, and those are the referral rewards and the matching rewards. Okay, so for the referral rewards, guys. This would be instant bonuses you can get once your team makes a purchases. Guys, you can build a team inside Synapse. You can invite them, create your own team, and of course, all of the benefit will be for you. Okay, so for the referral rewards, guys, for example, I invited Morph, and Morph, for example, decided to contribute $1,000, right? So, for me, since Morph is under my my referral campaign, I will get 2%. It depends, guys, on the level that you have. But for the most basic ones, I get 2% of the daily earnings as well from the purchases of more, which would be 2% of $1,000. Now, we also got the matching rewards. So the matching rewards, guys, these are uh, calculated and paid daily. So once Morph activated $1,000 plan, for example, right? Morph will be earning daily, right, with the plan active. So 3% of all of those earnings that Morph will be having, not only Morph guys, but all of my other referrals as well, I would get 3% of it as a matching bonus. So that is how it works. Guys, if you are aiming, of course, to build great and large teams inside Synapse, we've got different levels for you that we have tailored. So there are a total of 10 plans, okay, in Synapse. That would be level 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till level 10. So for level 1, guys, you would be able to unlock this, the referral rewards and the matching bonuses at the requirement of $1,000 sales volume inside your team. So once you invited someone, for example, two-person with $500 contribution, you get qualified to the level 1. And for the level 1, you get the referral rewards at 2% and the matching bonus at 3%. Now, if you have managed to increase your sales volume within your team, you now have $3,000 level of sales volume. You are now allowed to unlock the level 2, right? And for the level 2, guys, it has a referral bonus of 1.5% and a matching bonus 3%. It doesn't change at all. Only the referral bonus changes. So you may be wondering why. Guys, we change the referral bonuses rate every level that a user goes to in order to protect the system as well from abuse. Guys, if you have managed to attain 3,000 sales volume inside your team, I'm pretty sure you invited so many, right? And you get 3% from all of their earnings. So in order to put a balance, we decided to deduct the referral bonuses, gradually. Now, for level 3, this would be unlocked at $7,000 level of sales volume. So it would give still a referral bonus of 1.5 and a matching bonus of 3%. But the requirement to unlock this is at $7,500 sales requirement from your team. Alright? Alright, so now let's move on to level 4. So for level 4, the requirement is at $15,000 level of team sales, and then the referral bonus is now 1%, and the matching bonus, it never changes, 3% as always. Now for level 5, we would be able to unlock this at 30,000 level of sales volume, and the referral bonus is still 1%. Now if we go to higher levels, oh sorry, hold on, guys. I need to reshare my screen. Alright, so going back on level 6, you need at least 60,000 level of team sales, and your referral bonus would still be at 1%. The matching bonus, it never changes. Now, For level 7, right, this would be the lowest referral bonus you can get, which is set only at 0.5%. But still, the matching bonus stays the same. It's still 3% from all of your uh, team's earnings, okay? So, for level 7, you need to unlock this by achieving $120,000 in team volume sales, okay? And for level 8, $250,000. Still, the referral bonus stays the same and the matching bonus the same. And for level 9 and 10, for level 9, you can get to unlock it at $500,000 level of sales. And the matching bonus is at 3%. The referral bonus 0.5%. And for the last level that you can unlock here at Synapse, right? We've got the level 10, and this is the having a requirement of $1 million. Okay, $1 million level of sales inside your team, and then 0.5% for referral bonuses and 3% for matching bonuses. And these are the different levels that we've got inside the Synapse ecosystem. Okay, so once again, guys, if you're looking for a place to start your own team, start your own, circle of crypto enthusiasts, just go over to the Synapse console application, the application. You can get your own referral link on the bottom of the node tiers. You can share this referral link to them, so you would be automatically recognized as the referee. And you can see some of the greatest reasons out there why others choose to build team. Of course, you can earn from every purchase they make, right? Depends on the level you're in. You can get daily bonuses from their profits, the matching bonus, and you can unlock higher commission levels, okay? Because the only way for you to climb level 1 to level 10 is by having more and more invites. And for the last one, you can grow your level volume for more rewards inside the Synapse ecosystem. So that is basically how it works. Now, if you're building your team, of course, I recommend you to track each and every one of them if they're still active. So you can do that by going to the three lines and the team section. And on the team section, guys, you get your own invite code. Once again, just let them type this in inside your, the registration page. And then on here, you'd be able to track all of your team members, the members' name, their level currently, their daily profits, and such. So, guys, remember, if you want to maximize your profits in Synapse, you build your own team. You build your own community inside Synapse. And that is basically everything that I want to share with all of you guys. That's just how it works. And one more thing, guys, right? One more thing. Hold on. One more thing, right? After you're done with your Synapse console, remember to always click disconnect wallet on the upper right of your screen, okay? This is just for safety purposes. So your account won't remain logged in. Okay, so that is basically everything that I want to share with you guys about how Synapse console works and how you can contribute, where you can start as well. Now, to top off our Amy for today, I have a very special video I'd like to share with you guys because we have a very special campaign going on as well for the month of October. And this would be the October 2025 event. Okay, so I'll share my screen on my iPad real quick and then hold on. Okay, so I have it on here. Let me just share my screen, guys. Alright, so let's get it started.
The world is moving fast, and opportunities don't wait. This year, Synapse Power is giving you the chance to experience something extraordinary. A journey where business meets lifestyle, and success turns into celebration. And this is not just a trip. It's an exclusive experience designed for our achievers. Round-trip flights, world-class hotel accommodations, a premium program filled with networking, learning, and unforgettable moments. From now until the end of October 2025, the gateway is open. With a personal investment of $20,000 US or by achieving $30,000 US in group sales as a leader, you will earn your ticket to Dubai.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Indulge in an unforgettable holiday as you sail aboard a private luxury yacht, where every moment is designed for comfort and elegance. Celebrate in style with an exclusive party at sea, surrounded by breathtaking views, world-class service, and an atmosphere of pure sophistication. Participation requires a 360-day investment package. The clock is ticking, the stage is set, and the destination is waiting. Synapse Power, your journey, your success, your Dubai 2025.
So, guys, that is basically the exclusive event that we have currently, the Dubai 2025 event, which will be running for the whole October. So, guys, remember you can get two ways and how you can get a free ticket on this event to Dubai. Just $20,000 personal contribution, and if you manage to attain a team sales of $30,000, and you get your own free ticket to Dubai. So, guys, check out all the information on this event, and of course, try your luck. Now, another thing that
In
I want to
today's world,
play to
data
all of
isn't
you is this video that can serve as a summary right into our AMA for today. So I believe this would be really fun filled, with knowledge and amazing facts that you want to know about Synapse. So here it is. Let's all enjoy this clip.
In today's world, data isn't just information. It's the lifeblood of every business, every transaction, every connection. And in a world moving at lightning speed, you need more than just storage. You need power, you need security, you need freedom. Welcome to Synapse Power Data Center, the most advanced solution for fast, secure, and truly decentralized data storage. Traditional data centers rely on centralized systems, single points of failure that can slow you down, cost you privacy, and put your information at risk. But Synapse changes the game. Here, data flows seamlessly across a decentralized network. With speeds designed for the future, your applications move without limits. Security isn't an afterthought. It's at the core of Synapse. Every piece of data is encrypted, distributed, and shielded by the latest in cybersecurity protocols. Your files are protected not just from breaches, but from failure itself. And because it's decentralized, Synapse gives you control like never before. No one entity controls your data. Whether you're a global enterprise scaling at massive levels, or a visionary individual who values privacy and performance, Synapse is built for you. Blazing speed, rock-solid security, decentralized, unstoppable, and future-proof. This isn't just another data center. This is Synapse Power Data Center, where your data doesn't just exist, it thrives. Because in the future of digital power, there's only one choice: Synapse. In today's world, data isn't just information.
All right, so that is basically everything that I want to share with you guys on this presentation. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to do so. And yeah, to all people listening, thank you so much, guys. It's been a really amazing Amy with you. So I'm gonna pass the microphone back to you more.
Wow, thank you so much for that detailed walkthrough, Kaylin. But before we close, Kaylin, do you have any final message you'd like to share with our audience?
Well, yeah, for sure. I'd just like to thank everybody for staying in tune for this AMA. I hope I managed to share, important insights on how you can start earning passively here at Synapse. And I hope all of you can be aware of us, of the project, how it works, and what's coming ahead for Synapse. So, kind of check out all of our social media links, guys. If you have any questions, you can connect with the team directly through our official social media channel. So, yeah, I believe that's everything I want to share. Thank you so much, Morph, and thank you to the Grow Club Institute community. Thank you so much.
You're very much welcome with that, Caitlin. And yes, the session for today is very informative. And thanks again, Caitlin, for sharing your insights today. And also a huge thank you to the Synapse Power AI team for joining us. And of course, thank you to everyone from the Grow Club Institute community for being here with us. So, guys, stay tuned for more exciting AMAs. Okay, and remember, the future of AI is powered by you, the people helping to build it. So yeah, thanks again, Kikitin, and also thank you so much, Rich. Bye for now.
Thank you very much, Marv. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.